Python operator and the functions with syntax. First of all, Python is a coding language as well as latest coding language in the market. So guys, I am using Thorny as a compiler. There are various other compilers in the market and some are present online also. So guys, the first operator which we are going to understand is addition. Addi- Addition operator. Addition operator. So guys, this operator. This operator simply adds any two values. For this, we can say print 2 plus 4. Let's have this run. So it simply gives 6. Or we can assign the values to the variables. A is equals to 5 and B is equals to also 5. Okay, now one 6. Done. Now print A plus B. We simply did this. Now run. Let's see. The first answer is of print 2 plus 4. So it's giving 6. And the second answer is A plus B. A is 5 and B is 6. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 and it gives the answer 11. Now, now let's move to the other operator. So the next operator we're going to understand is minus or sub, sub, subtract, subtraction. Oops, why am I writing too wrong now? So subtraction operator simply subtract two values, such as let's start print print 5 minus 1. Uh, uh, 5, let's keep this here. 5 minus 1. Okay, and now here we go, enter. Now run script. So here we got 4 as the answer. So 4 is the answer. And we can also assign values. A is equals to 8 and B is equals to 6. Okay. Now enter. Now print A minus B. And I should close it. So we got 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, sorry. We got 5 minus 1 as 4, and we got as A is equals to 8 and B is equals to 6. So A minus B is equal to 8 minus 6. So here we got 2. So guys, let's move to our next operator. So the next operator we're going to understand is multiplication. We assign multiplication operator as a star. So multi operator. So we go multiplication operator. Multiplication operator simply multiplies both the objects. Yes. Let's try it. Print 2 multiplied by 5. So as we know, 2 into 5 equals 10. So answer, here we go, 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Now, as we have done in addition operator and subtraction operator, we can also find the values. A is equals to 4 and B is equals to 6. Now, print A into B. So, here when we do this, we got so 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Here we got 10. And A into B means A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 6. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24. And here we got 24. So the next operator we are going to use is division. Division operator. Division operator. Division operator is symbolized by a simple slash. So it simply divides the two values are given. Let's write print 8 divided by 4. Okay, now let's run it. So here we go, 2. So when we divide 8 divide when we divide 8 by 4, here we got 2. So answer is 2.0. Now let's try to assign the values to this. A is equals to 24 and B is equals to 6. Okay, now print oops, print A divided B. Simple. And now let's run it. So 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2 and 24 divided by 6 8 divided by B is equals to 4. Its answer is given. And here's one more case. In this, if x is equals to 25 and y is equals to 2. Now print print x divided by y. So let's print it. So here we can see that the answer we got in point. 25 divided by 2 is equals to 12.5. Now let's move to another operator. So the next operator we are going to use is modules. Oh, yeah, modules. 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 Oops, I'm wrong. So modulo, modules, modulo operator, or or we can say this as remainder operator. So it is in this the percentage sign, which is known as module in Python. It just it just divides the value and finds the remainder and gives the remainder to you. Let's check. Print no space, print. Let's take 40 for oops, 40% 12. Okay, let's divide it and check if we'll get the remainder. So we divide, we didn't get the remainder. We simply get the answer 2. So, and if we change 12 into 11, now let's check. Yeah, we get remainder 2, now 3. So it simply recognizes the remainder. Mm, we can also check like if we do with 7. Now let's run it. We get 0 as 7 completely divisible as 14 is completely divisible by 7. So there is no remainder. Now Now we can also assign the values as we have seen below. Oh, I've added caps lock, more bad 15. Let's check it by uh, let's check it at 9. Now now a person a module B. Now let's run it. So the upper one is 14 total sum. So it simply gets us remainder 0. But on dividing 9 by 15 or 15 by 9, we get the answer 6. We get the answer 6. Now, so now we'll move to the next operator. So the next operator is floor division. Floor division is symbolized by the two slash. The floor division gives us the whole value came by dividing the floor division gives us the whole number value give, came by dividing. So we should try this. Print 2 divisible by not 2. We should take 48 divisible by 12. So why this from where did the E came? Never mind. Okay. Yeah. So on what I'm using my bad sorry. On so on dividing this. So on dividing 48 by 11, we got the answer about 4.4 4.3 about 4.3 something. So it simply gives us the whole value which is 4. Now let's try by giving the values to the variables. And dividing the 4 is the value 4 is the answer of the above one which is this one. And now the one came from dividing 12.9. So on dividing 12.9, we will get 1 point something. So it simply gives us the whole value, which is 1. Now the next the next operator we are going to understand is exponential operator. So uh, the exponential operator symbolized two star signs or two multiplication signs. So as you know, the exponent simply means that something to the power something. So let's try it. Print print 2 sorry, it's 12. So print 12 asterisk 2. So let's try running this. So here we go. On multiplying 12 by 12 into 12, we will get 144. And we got here 12 to the power 2 or 12 square is 144. Now let's try by giving the value to the variables. So a is the variable and we give it the a value 4. And now b is the variable and we give value 3. Now print a b. So this means a to the power b. On printing this, we'll get our answer 64. So 4 84 16, 16 into 4 equals 64. And and we can say that 4 cube is equals to 3. 4 cube is equals to 64. And a to the power b simply means that a simply means that 4 to the power 3, or we can say 4 cube. So guys, that's all for this video. For more operator video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you guys for watching.